Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zendesk ticket syncing with Salesforce CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Zendesk ticket syncing with Salesforce CRM, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the left sidebar. In the Admin Center, select the Apps and Integrations option. From there, click on the Zendesk Marketplace link. Search for the Salesforce integration app in the Marketplace. If it is already installed, click on it to access the settings. Check the status of the integration to see if it is enabled. If it is disabled, toggle the switch to enable it. If it is not installed, click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the integration. You will need to provide your Salesforce credentials during this process. Authorize the connection between Zendesk and Salesforce when prompted. Next, review the syncing settings and the integration configuration. Ensure that the ticket fields in Zendesk match those in Salesforce. Adjust any mapping settings to align with your organizational needs. Test the integration by creating a sample ticket in Zendesk. Check if the ticket successfully syncs with Salesforce. If the sync is not functioning, review the error logs in Zendesk. Make sure that your Salesforce API limits have not been exceeded. Verify that your user accounts in both platforms have the necessary permissions. Once all settings are confirmed, monitor the sync for a period to ensure stability. If any further issues arise, consult the Zendesk and Salesforce support documentation. Regularly update your integration to the latest version for optimal performance. Document any changes you make to the integration settings for future reference. Keep your team informed about the integration status and any potential impacts. With these steps completed, you should have restored the syncing functionality between Zendesk and Salesforce CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.